What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to fix the problem when Bing Chat is not processing your prompts or showing an error. This should be quite an easy tutorial. For more information, click on the first link in the description below. If Bing Chat is not processing your request or showing an error, then you should first of all make sure that your account has access to Bing Chat and that you're using a reliable network connection. Using the Microsoft Edge browser, go to bing.com and navigate to the Chat tab. If Bing Chat is not responding to your request, or if this option is not showing up at all, then make sure that you're logged in to the correct Microsoft account. Click on your username to verify that you're using the email address with access to Bing Chat, as you're still required to have joined the waitlist to get access at this time. When this is done, open up your Windows settings. In the Network and Internet section, select VPN and make sure that your VPN connection is disabled. Next, in your Time and Language settings, click on Date and Time and make sure that the Set Automatically option is enabled. Lastly, clear your browser cache and site data for Bing.com to make sure that any account updates will show up when trying to use Bing Chat. Using the Edge browser, click on the burger menu icon on the top right to access your browser settings. Navigate to Cookies and Site Permissions, Manage and delete cookies and site data, see all cookies and site data. Search for Bing.com and proceed to clear all site cookies and data for the Bing.com domain. Lastly, ensure that you're using a reliable network connection, or use a different network connection to see if this issue is network related. In some cases, high traffic and server issues can cause Bing Chat problems, where you won't be able to use it for a couple of minutes to hours. Make sure to wait some time before trying to use Bing Chat again. All of these steps and more information will be available in my extensive guide linked in the description below. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.